The stubborn baby elephant. In the middle of a wide, green jungle, a baby elephant named Toto was born. He had the biggest ears, the tiniest tail, and the most stubborn mind in the whole jungle. Toto loved to explore and play, but he hated listening to rules. One morning, Mama Elephant said, "Toto, don't go near the muddy riverbank. It's too slippery." But Toto puffed his cheeks and stomped his feet. "I'm big now. I can do what I want." So while the other elephants played safely, Toto tiptoed down to the riverbank. He giggled, splashed, and shouted. "See? Nothing happened." But just as he lifted one muddy foot, squish! He slipped and plopped right into the deep, gooey mud. "Help!" he cried, flapping his ears. "I'm stuck." Hearing his cries, Mama Elephant and the herd came running. With their strong trunks and gentle pushes, they pulled Toto out. He was covered in mud from trunk to tail. Mama didn't scold him. She just smiled and said, "Sometimes the mud teaches better than words." Toto looked down, feeling a little silly. "I guess I should have listened." From that day on, Toto still loved exploring, but he made sure to listen first. Because even baby elephants need a little help growing wise. Moral of the story: being stubborn can get you stuck, but listening to those who care about you can keep you safe and happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.